Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a black smoky eye as per request of my sister. Today on May 15th is her birthday, so this is the video for that. So happy birthday, Emily. I'm showing you that I already did my brows with the ABH Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. And now I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner Concealer in the shade Ivory just to prime my eyelids and kind of carve out my brows. And I will be right back whenever that's done. Alright, so now we're going to start on eyeshadow, and I'm showing you the brush that I'm using. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Ganni palette. And I'm going to be taking that first shade called Wolf, and I'm going to be putting that all over the eyelid, as you will see here, just to kind of set the eyelid from where I put the concealer on it. Alright, now I'm taking the Morphe 350 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going in with a shade darker than what I was using before, which is the shade right here. And I'm going to be taking another Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm going to be putting that all in my crease just to kind of start building up the color, because you don't want to go straight in with black, otherwise you're going to have a mess. So that is what I'm doing currently, to just put it in my crease to kind of start building up the transition shades. Alright, now I'm going in with a bit of a darker shade to kind of continue to build up that transition. I'm basically going to be putting this in the crease just a little lower from where I put the first shade, just so that way I can have like a ombre effect kind of going on there, as you will see. So I'm just putting that in the crease on top of the lighter shade that we just used. Alright, now I'm going in with the shade Sisterhood, which is this darker maroony red type shade. And I'm going to be putting that in the crease as well, but kind of focusing it more on the outer and inner corner compared to the middle. As you will see in just a second, I'm starting in my outer corner and kind of working my way in, but I'm making sure the color shows up more on the outer and inner corner. Alright, now for the fun part, which is the black. I'm going in with the e.l.f. eyeliner in the shade black, and I'm going to be taking a packing brush and putting that all over my eyelid, just so that way I don't have eyeshadow all over the place. And I like to start with a gel liner so that I have more control over where I'm putting it. So as you'll see, I'm going to start packing it onto the eyelid. Just on the lid, not taking it up in the crease or anything. I'm just kind of keeping it strictly on the lid for now. Alright, now for a fun palette that I haven't used in a while. I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Black Hole to kind of set the eyeliner that we just put all over the lid. So right now I'm just looking for another packing brush so that I can start to pack on the black eyeshadow. As you will see, I kind of start at the crease area just because that's the messy part, and I'm trying to cover up the messiness of it so that way it looks a little more neat and confined. But as you can tell, I am just kind of putting that in my crease area from where I stopped at the eyeliner, just to kind of build it up and to set the eyeliner so it doesn't smudge and kind of smear all over the place with me looking up and down. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Ganni palette with that maroony shade, just to kind of build up the color that I had around the black. As you can see, I'm just putting that in my crease just so that way I don't look like a crazy person with the straight black eyelid. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing currently, just building up that maroon again in my crease. Alright, now I'm taking a bit of a flatter brush, and I'm taking the shade Opal from the highlighter section of her palette, and I'm going to be highlighting the brow bone with it. I'm also taking the shade Prince which is another like champagne-y highlighty shade that she put in her palette, just because I wanted 2 different shades of that color. So I'm taking the shade Prince and Opal, and all I'm doing is just highlighting the brow bone. So now I'm taking these ColourPop automatic eyeliner in black, and I'm going to be lining the lid where my eyelashes will go, just so that way if I missed any spots near the eyelashes for when I put lashes and mascara on, I don't have any like white spots showing. So this is just kind of like an entrance for me. I'm just lining the lid. Now I'm gonna go in and line the waterline just so I kind of complete the black, and I'm also going to be taking it on the lash line, like underneath, so that I can drag it out and blend it out to match the lid. I haven't done this since the 8th grade because I used to line my waterline only, and that was the only makeup I wore. Sometimes I'd wear mascara, but most of the time it would just be black in my waterline. Speaking of, if y'all want to see the videos of like how I did my makeup in middle school and how I did my makeup in high school, I'm pretty sure I did them already, so I'll link them, but if not, let me know if you want to see that. So yeah, right now I'm just kind of taking it in the lash line and the waterline just to kind of blend it out and bring in that like smoky effect. Alright, so here I'm just smudging out the black, and I'm going to be going in with that maroon shade and the brown shades that we used just to kind of smudge it out and match what my eyelid looks like. So as you can see, I'm just dragging it along the line and kind of connecting it to the outer corner and just smudging out the black eyeliner that I put on the lower lash line. Alright, so here I'm going into my Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. I love these lashes. I bought the value pack of them because I love them so much. Right here I'm just going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That is like my all-time favorite mascara ever. And this is just travel size because I ran out of the big one that I have, and I got this one for free. So I figured I would just use this until I ran out, and then I would finally splurge and buy the full size again. But I'm just putting mascara on before I do my lashes. That way they kind of blend together, because I don't like putting mascara on after lashes because it ruins the lashes and you can't use them as often. So I'm going in with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe in it. This is the clear. I prefer the black because it matches better, especially when I'm using darker eyeshadow. But all I had was the clear, so that is what I'm doing currently for my false lashes. Alright, so now I'm taking a Morphe gloss, which is my favorite nude gloss right now. It's the shade Freebird. I'm obsessed with this gloss. It overpowered the Whoosh Beauty gloss that I was obsessed with for so long. So that is what I put on my lips for this look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is my black smoky eye with my dramatic lashes that I put on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I know it's been a very long time, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.